Hello everyone, what's up? This is Teacher Anson. 大家好，我是 Anson 老师。From now on, I will teach you how to speak Chinese from level 0. I'm an IPA certified Chinese teacher. Okay, let's get started. First, we must know how to make sounds because Chinese is also a kind of different sounds. So we can use this vocal organ chart. You should remember the different organs to make sounds. Okay, let's get started. Today we will learn 7 vowels. Here it is. A, O, E, U, Ü, A. Okay, this is the difference between these 7 vowels. Okay, let's check one by one. The first one is A. Okay, you can see this organ position chart. This is the air flow path, and this is the mouth shape. First, you should open your mouth naturally. Second, the mouth shape is oblate. Then you should hold your tongue. Then use your tongue tip touches lower alveolar range. Then close nasal cavity. In this way, you can speak these vowels very standard. A. Second one is O. Okay, you can see these 4 tips to speak these vowels. The next one is A. It is oblate mouth. And retract your tongue. The side of the tongue curve slightly. Place tongue tip behind the lower alveolar range and also close nasal cavity. Then you can speak these vowels. Next one, E. You can see this mouth. It is oblate mouth. The most important is use your tongue tip. Press against the back of the lower teeth. E. Okay, next one is U. You can check this mouth shape. U. It is round mouth. And retract your tongue. Place tongue tip behind the lower alveolar range and close nasal cavity. U. Okay, next one is Ü. It's almost the same like the U. Round mouth, but extend your tongue. And tongue tip press against the back of the lower teeth and close narrow nasal cavity. Ü. A. Okay, for this vowel, many years ago, some teacher don't teach you these vowels. This is a new vowels for the new book. How to pronounce it? A. Very short. Attention, you should use oblate mouth. Extend tongue. Your tongue tip press against the back of the lower teeth and close nasal cavity. A. Okay, this is a chart to show the difference between these 7 vowels. The x-axis shows your tongue position, and the y-axis shows your tongue height. For example, R, the position is here, so they are all called lingual surface vowels. R, the position of the tongue is, just hold it, means in the middle. And your tongue height is very low here. And your mouth shape is oblate. So from this way, we can describe these 7 vowels. They are all lingual surface vowels that the tongue position and tongue height is different, and also the mouth shape. Okay, you can check one by one. Here, how to describe the vowel of A? First, it is a lingual surface vowel, and the tongue position you should recheck. And the tongue height is semi-low. And also, the mouth shape is oblate. Now we have a question. So we can compare every 2 vowels, and we can check the same point and difference. For example, the difference between E and U. First, we know that E is a lingual surface extent high oblate vowel, but U is a lingual surface extent high round vowel. So the difference is the mouth shape. And also we can describe every 2 vowels, the difference and the same point. Okay, thank you for your watching. Do not forget to follow, give a like, and share my channel. See you next time.